So what's up guys, so here I am back again with the new game platform that I'm gonna show you in just a moment. So let me introduce myself. So if you are new here, so I'm a Dhruv Prajapati and I do kind of vlogging, and also will show you how you can utilize the platform to entertain your mind for now. So let me deep dive into it. Just go to the just open up your browser and go to the Google, and you can type like crazy games. So this is the cool platform that I found. Like you can find bunch of games over there. Like there are many categories that you can think of. So basically you can also play in there are a few multiplayer games as well, so you can play with your friends. And for now let me show you one basic game. Let me You can also search it over here. Like I just want to play the driving game, so just click on driving, and you will see this many games over here. And you can play anything that you want. For now I just go with this one, just extreme rivals. Looks kind of fun to me. And it will take a moment to download it on your browser. And once that is done, you can just click on the full stick. And also you can hide this bar from here. Just click on the just wait for a moment, let it get start, and boom, it will give you some tutorial out of it. And of course we are gamers, we know how to drive, right? Okay, okay. And for nitro, oh shit, music is kind of cool. Let me know in comments below, like have you tried it like this on the 180 kilometers per hour? See how I'm drifting right now. And that's it. So yeah, I think I won. Let's see how many stars I get. Hey Lita, I'm gonna skip you, sorry. And we'll jump on the next game. So, and I think they have the mini version of CSGO, so let's play that as well. They are calling it as mob PS online shooter game. Alright, let's see. So when that is done, I think it will take a moment to load. Oh, we don't need money, we are rich. Just kidding. Alright, close it, close, claim, cancel, come on. We just want to quick battle. Okay, we are ready. Okay, it's kinda look CSGO to me. Counter Strike if you don't know. Hold WS. Okay, hold shift to run. Okay, but I'm not able to move the cursor. Why? Okay, possibly that's why.
Team deathmatch.
Okay, I think it's already started. Let's see. I mean, of course, it's not like you can see they are just bunch of bots.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Triple kill.
Oh.
Wow. I mean, bot can kill us. Yeah, I think this is it. You can just go for this crazygames.com and just check it out all the games by yourself. And do let me know in comments how you like it or not. So I think this is it for today, and I'll will see you soon. Thanks. Thanks for watching.